so good. I think you're the one. You smell so good. Oh my god. I love you so much. I just want to be with you for the rest of my life. Let's get married.
Oh shit! You hear me, Mango? Dad! Oh yeah. What going on here, sir?
We're just studying, Dad.
Study what? Anatomy?
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, a rose is this? Oh yeah, how about this? Candlelight? When you and I make love?
No, Dad. It's nothing like that. It's just.
Am I make love to you? Bumbo, Jesus Christ. You in and I make love? For me, son? Girl fi ball and beg when you walk them here. You know make love. What kind of chichi this? Look on her here or pretty, eh? Are we for up on the floor? If you jump off the dresser man and fuck how I walk to you, man, eh? You know when me breed your man with you, she suffer from 3 broken ribs.
Jesus Christ!
And a mild concussion.
Oh my God!
You see me, kid? You see this? Your father is a certified bedroom bully. And look upon you when you make love. Like some local lover boy. Eh? You have to get beat up. Mash up. You know what? Go do the dishes. Come on. Go do the dishes.
Really?
Damn disgrace.
Are you serious right now?
Go wash the dishes. Damn disgrace. Boy, I'm in your make love. What? Boxing me. Sorry, yeah. Young lady. Yeah. You know, I'm very sorry that my son couldn't put on a proper performance in the bedroom, you know. In this far in life, you know. You don't know what to be a real bedroom bully, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Wait, pretty door.
Thank you.
You have an older sister? Your mother sexy like you? So you have taxi fare for go home? You have taxi fare? Well, you know, you get yourself, you know. Oh, sorry. Anyways, next time.